Eugene Segovia here with EZStudRack. What I'm about to show you is years and years and years of experience. The guys at NASA were amazed by this spreadsheet. They said, how is it that such a genius can come up with this? What I got here is a frame wall kit calculation sheet. I know what you're thinking. Oh, I can calculate whatever I want. I know how to measure. If you do, shut off this video because you don't need to watch it. If you're not the type of person that wants to calculate things out and try to evenly space it out, go out there and measure your wall. 10 feet of wall space, 8 feet high, whatever you want. Pause the video, measure, and I'll tell you how to build this wall. In fact, look at this video where we did a garage makeover. You couldn't even park a car in there. Watch this video and you'll see the before and after, and I'll show you an example of how we calculated the spacing on that wall. All right, here we go. So what we got here is we got a spreadsheet. If you look at this on the very top line, it says EZStudRack frame wall calculation sheet for an 8-foot wall. So if you measure the height, and if it measures 96 inches or 8 feet, then you can use this spreadsheet. Say hypothetically you measure and say, hey, I don't have 8 feet. I have 7.23 or whatever. Look at the tabs down here at the bottom. 8 foot, 7 foot, 6 foot. And if you need something, just send me dimensions. Send me a little text. Send me a comment on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, wherever those are, and I'll run the numbers for you. I might even shoot a video. So check this out. This calculation sheet will go for an 8-foot high wall. So this particular wall in the garage, this garage had lots of space. It was beautiful, sexy. I fell in love with the opportunity to do this wall. Cleared out the clutter, measured the wall, measured about 150 inches. Give or take 2 inches. So on this calculation sheet, all you gotta do is change one number. This number right here, the number in yellow. Pretend this is the wall. If you look at this, you have this thing right here in yellow. That represents a stud. A stud, a stud, a stud. The purple number represents the EZStudRack. This is an EZStudRack. 2 EZStudRacks, you put a shelf in between. Thickness of the EZStudRack right here, that occupies 1/8 of an inch. That's where that number comes in right here in the purple. So you got a stud, EZStudRack, your shelf, EZStudRack, and the yellow is another stud. If you only have a small space, 48 inches, type in 48 inches. That's 4 feet. You look at the spreadsheet and look at this. Your ideal spacing is going to be 21.5 inches. How many studs? It takes 1, 2, 3 studs. How many EZStudRacks if it's an 8-foot tall wall? Check this out. It tells you. 24 EZStudRacks right here in orange. How many packages? That's 3 packages you can buy for $20 for $60. That's it. Hypothetically, say you go out right now and you measure it. Say you come up with 70 inches. In fact, let's go 72.5 if you want to be one of those nerdy guys that just 72.5. Boom. You notice the green shifts down? Boom. Right there. How about 72? Just keep playing. Oh! Look at that. I typed in 72 inches, and look at that. It comes out to a shelf you cut at 21.75. 21.75, you go down here, 7.5 is 3/4 of an inch. You can measure that on a tape measure. So now, what you do is you got 1, 2, 3 studs, 4 studs. That's 36 EZStudRacks. 4.5 packages, or 1 frame wall kit and 1 package. A frame wall kit comes with 30 EZStudRacks, so you have to buy the additional package if you want to do that much shelving. Let's keep going. I'm going to show you how we did the garage makeover. So I measured it. It was 150 inches. I come in 150 inches. We're going to do this quickly. You notice where the green shift down? The green shifts down to down here. This is the ideal settings. For 150-inch wall worth of EZStudRack, 8-foot high, I have a choice. I can go 23-inch long shelves, or I can go 19.46. I started measuring items. You look at the video, I measured a tackle box. That tackle box was, I think it was 17.5 inches. Always add 1.5 inches. Just trust me, just add 1.5 inches. So 17.5, 18.5, 19 inches. So I think 19.464 means nothing to me. It means nothing. So let's tweak the number, 148.5. Look at that. That comes out with a nice number I can use a tape measure for. I measure each board that I cut. Pause this video, go to the other video, watch here on the link. on how you actually evenly space every stud so you can use that 19.25 shelf wherever you go. Trust me, trust me, trust me. Okay, let's continue on. To finish this off, how many studs do I need to buy? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 studs. This is the number in white, 148.5 inches. If you look at the video, you're gonna see that that is a big wall to try to handle. So I split it. You got 2 frame wall kits. You split it, it makes it a lot easier to handle. The spacing's all perfect when you put 2 together. Okay, let's continue on. I'm getting distracted. How many EZStudRack will it take? 84. Well, how many packages is 84? Check it out, the number right below it says 10.5 packages. You order 6 or more, it's free shipping. Or you buy 2 frame wall kits and 3 packages. How high is an EZStudRack? 1 is 12 and 11/16. 2, 25 and 3/8, and on and on. If you do 6 EZStudRacks, if you stack them in the end, it'll equal 76 and 1/8, 6 of these stacked on top of each other. Check out the link down below. You can download this spreadsheet. It's an Excel spreadsheet. It's not rocket science. It just does all this calculation ahead of time. If you got any questions, email me, comment down below, send me a DM, IM, UM, whatever, all that Snapchat, chatty stuff. Ask any questions. I'll be happy to help. I love helping. I give you recommendations and all that. That's what I'm talking about. Until next time, it's Eugene with EZStudRack.